Unravel the coils. The blood and mud of memory, the scars of bad experiences, the transition of time found in a radio station dial, static communication lost forever, only in the physical, for in dreams we will never lose contact or fear sleep paralysis. Bitten by a kitten and scratched by a cat, constricted by a boa which snapped my back. Then I heard your laughter in the morning as you watered the plants. So vividly the coils unravelled, as I let out a sigh of relief and settled into a peaceful nap. The voiceless mynah bird. Out into the night, wondering what we will find. A summer garden, a road with no destination, or a sharp winter's frost divine. Anticipation of not knowing, surely not what's on my mind. Easy does it, bellowed the Minotaur, vainly proceeding to lose himself within the vastness of the maze, crashing violently against the walls of martyrdom. Either side of oblivion, the outcome is the same. Psychic concealment reveals nothing that we can begin to understand. Reacting to the humiliation and the loss, the damp hallucinogenic fungus spreading spores throughout his brain, becoming of essence, devoid of existence of being. Now corridors open up towards a molecule encrypted with knowledge, a speck of light into the mind's eye, a crevice from which to view the world of the Cyclops, the creation of myriads, Nephilim rising. In the morning we awoke to find dishevelled answers, the chaos of tarnished opinion. The carpet crawls along the hall with burns of citric prosperity, fingerprints left by the gods. Hell slares cannibalizing sustenance. Be off with you! Remove yourselves from this harsh vicinity. The trance we live in mauls the very source of subsisting. Monotonous Eskimos rubbing noses with carnivorous intent, flip-flopping through the rain dance, sitting cross-legged, premeditating, conversing with Buddha, monopolizing corruption. Daredevil acrobats plunging into the coagulated abyss, as I follow, then hesitate, and present myself before a court hearing. The water boatman, breast-stroking the futility of the slumber, pointlessly teaching words to a voiceless mynah bird.